How do I describe our 3.5 years together? How would I try to sum up the adventures and hardship we've seen? Most importantly, how do I describe my love for you and this life you've given me?
I never knew what love was until I held you. I never knew the right words until I found you. These eyes are never open until I saw you. My heart's now unfolding, and it was made for you. Every day before you I was holding out. If you want the stars, I can pull them down. Baby, in my arms you'll be safe and sound.
Today is the day we have been waiting for. The day I officially changed my last name to Linger, and I guess Riley's too. I have imagined this day since I was a little girl, and it's finally here. The big day. I should be nervous and anxious, but I find myself calm and at peace. I think it's because I know that no matter what happens today, by the end of it, we'll be standing side by side as husband and wife.
Oceans we parted, the mountains yet to climb. Every day before you I was holding out. If you want the stars, I can pull them down. Baby, in my arms you'll be safe and sound.
You've shown me the warmth and love that you can only give. You've introduced me to the kindness and compassion I never knew, and guided me away from isolation and the battles I fight.
While this is not the beginning of your journey together through life, the words you're about to speak will take you across the threshold, and you will continue your journey united as husband and wife. Mark, you come here before this gathering of friends and family to proclaim your love and devotion for Shelby. You promise to respect her and cherish her. You commit yourself to being faithful to her and to caring for her during times of joy and hardship. And you promise to honor her growth and freedom as well as your own. With this as the vision you're entering into, do you now take Shelby to be your lawfully wedded wife for as long as you both shall live?
As you stand in front of me, I think about how we got to this very moment, all the good and bad that has gotten us to this exact time and place. Moving in together, an 8-month deployment, planning a wedding, raising a puppy, and buying a house. It hasn't always been easy, but one thing is for sure, it has all been worth it.
And Shelby, you come here before this gathering of friends and family to proclaim your love and devotion for Mark. You promise to respect him and cherish him. You commit yourself to being faithful to him and to caring for him during times of joy and hardship. And you promise to honor his growth and freedom as well as your own. With this as the vision you're entering into, do you now take Mark to be your lawfully wedded husband for as long as you both shall live?
Every day before you I was holding out. If you want the stars, I can pull them down. Baby, in my arms you'll be safe and sound.
I can tell you I love you, but that's nothing new to you. Rather, our love is the life we've built, the effort we bring towards each other, and the sacrifices we make, and the goals we aim to achieve together.
Now this fire we got started forever burns up the sky. Oceans we parted, and mountains yet to climb.
I knew the moment I saw them together that he was the one, Shelby's dream guy, the one she described to me when we were just high schoolers. The type of guy that made her laugh, made her happy more than sad, the kind of guy that made her laugh instead of cry, a guy that respected her, was loyal to her, and treated her just like a princess. He was the guy that I also been dreaming of, to be worthy enough to marry my best friend.
And as you sit side by side through this roller coaster of life, remember to scream from the peaks, hold hands through the dips, laugh through the loops, and enjoy every twist and turn. I wish you two the best of luck together.
Shelby stood with us day by day. I watched him lift Mark up when he needed it the most, and I could see it in his face day by day that she was the brightest light during some of his darkest days. And that's a debt I cannot repay.
They exemplified patience, humility, sacrifice, and Mark, I can't think of a more perfect person for you to grow old with than Shelby. I have no doubt Mark will bring that same love and stability to his marriage that he brought to our friendship. And it brings me such joy to see him with a person like you, Shelby. I feel honored to get to share in your special day, and I look forward to building many more of these memories with the two of you.
Every day before you I was holding out. If you want the stars I can pull them down. Baby, in my arms you'll be safe and sound.
We've had so many adventures together, and today is our biggest one yet. I can't wait to see what other adventures life has in store for us. I love you more and more every day, always and forever.
Every day before you I was holding out. If you want the stars I can pull them down. Baby, in my arms you'll be safe and sound.
As we grow and as we expand as a family, I know you'll be right there with me, showing the love, care, and compassion and enthusiasm our family and the world will need. I love you, Shelby. And always remember, no matter where I go, no matter where the world takes me, I'll always come back to you, and I'll always love you.